All right, so I've had a lot of people, they've really enjoyed my VSL training. The thing that I found is a good way to do it is just create a quick VSL first, like a 5-minute or 10-minute VSL. And I've got this new training that I'm coming out with here where I'm going to be showing basically people how to launch a digital product in a weekend, right? And one of the things inside of it is I teach people how to create a 10-minute 10-step VSL. So I just wanted to go over this with you really quick. Okay, you can obviously pause this video at any time and screenshot this and take this. And you can also just go to makeonce.com or the link in my bio, and you can jump on my newsletter because I'm going to be doing a newsletter this weekend over this and going into detail. So the 10-minute VSL, at the end of the day, I want you to just keep this super easy, as if you're going to put it on a napkin, okay? People overcomplicate this way too much. And a lot of people make money by overcomplicating it, okay? Meaning, if I make it complicated to you, then you buy my thing, okay? It's not that complicated. First off, you just need some sort of attention grabber. Like, who's it for, okay? Who's the person you're trying to help? Who's it for, all right? Grab their attention with the thing that they would actually get their attention grabbed by, okay? Next, present the problem. Like, just flat out say, hey, you're probably dealing with this problem. Here's the whole nature of it and everything, and spend a minute or so on that. Then introduce the actual solution. Like, how do you solve that problem, okay? You're gonna give them the what, not the how, okay? And then explain the solution that you presented to them, explain the features of it and the benefits of those things and how it all works to get them to their goal. And then if you have any sort of social proof, other people that have taken your program, you can actually show them proof, like prove it to them on the screen, show them. And then handle any objections and always do the A-B thing at the end. A, you got two options. A, you can keep doing what you're doing. It'll be slower. It'll be harder, it'll be more expensive, it won't be as much fun. Or B, you can come with us, it'll be faster, it'll be easier, it'll be less expensive, it'll be more fun. And then present the value to them, right? Look at what you all get, and here's why it matters to you, and here's why it's worth so much more than what you have to give me. And then basically just justify the price. Okay, for me, when I tell people to join Build Lab, I'm like, it's literally like the price of a energy drink each day. Now all of a sudden they're like, well, I drink those anyway each day, or a cup of coffee or whatever, or I could spend that same amount on this and I could get, I could learn how to start, grow, and monetize an internet business if that's what they want to do, right? And then urgency and scarcity. The easiest way to do this is just add a live element to whatever it is that you're selling. Say, for the first X amount of people, 20 to 50 people, I'm gonna be doing this training live with them, only they get it, okay? Or if the first X amount of people join, they're also going to get blank, right? And if you can create a time element involved with that as well, then that makes it even better, right? You gotta put those types of restrictions on things to get people to move, okay? You only have this much time, there's only this many seats available for this type of thing, right? Always add that. And then the call to action, you need to make it literally as 1, 2, 3, ABC, as simple as humanly possible for them to be able to get the thing. Hey, click the button below, you go to the next page, here's exactly what you need to do, and this happens next. Just tell them what's on the other side of the door and tell them how to get to the door and make it very, very simple. And then recap once more time what they get. Again, add the element of urgency in there one more time, make sure they understand that, and then say, hey, go grab the thing. What I want you to do is, pause this thing, go back through this or whatever, pause it and look at it. But if you just go to makeonce.com, join my newsletter, I'm going to do an entire training on this. That'll be this week's newsletter that's coming out. So do this, okay? Make a quick 10-minute VSL or 5-minute. Then you can go back and add more to it and say, hey, I could do this better. I could do this better. Because remember, you cannot make something better that does not exist. Or you can't edit nothing, right? We need something in order to edit it. So do it and then find out why it sucks or why you could do it better, and then do it better. But you got to get that first little piece out, version 1, right? Simple and to the point. Hope this helped.